Hello everyone. So our today's short trick topic is speed, distance and time, and the trick name is the 3 speed average short trick. So without wasting the time, let's start with one by one when to apply this trick, what is a short formula, and the problem solving one by one with this trick. So the first and important part, that is when to apply this method. So you can use this method or short trick whenever your journey is divided into 3 equal parts. Okay, or it is given like that, traveling the boundary of an equilateral triangle, because equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides. So whenever your journey is divided into 3 equal parts, okay, speed can be different, time interval can be different, but this journey is 3 interval of equal time, equal parts. So the rule is 3 distance must be equal. In that case, you are eligible to apply this method. Okay, so let's look at the short formula to solve the question very quickly. So the first step is find the LCM of whatever the speeds are given. Let's say the speeds are x, y and z. So find out the LCM. So how to find the LCM with the short trick that we have done in the last video. So if you have not seen, watch that video first. The second step is calculate the time for each interval. So how to find the time? LCM divided by the speed of 1 by 1. Then the third step is add the total time, means find out the total time, and our final short formula, which is nothing but 3 times LCM divided by the total time. Okay, formula is 3 multiplied by LCM of the speed upon total time. So let's start with the examples. Look at the first question. The question is, car covers one-third of its journey at 12 km per hour, the next one-third of the journey 15 km per hour, and the remaining one-third at 20 km per hour. So what is the average speed? So the formula, we have 3 into LCM upon total time. So look at it, you can see here this car covers first one-third, second one-third and the remaining one-third. So here the distance are divided into 3 equal parts. So we can apply this short trick here. So that the different speeds are given: 12 km per hour, 15 km per hour and 20 km per hour. So the speeds are 20, 15 and 20. So let's find out the first part, LCM. So how to find LCM? Look at the biggest number. What is the biggest number? 20. So is this 20 is divisible by the remaining two numbers 12 and 15? No. So just scale up this number 20 by 2. So 20 into 2, which is 40. So is this 40 is divisible by 12 and 15? Is 12 divides 40? No. So scale up this 20 by 3, which is nothing but 60. So now this 60 is divisible by 12 as well as 15. Okay, both this number divides 60. So we can take this 60 as our LCM. So the LCM of 12, 15 and 20 is nothing but 60 by using a short trick. So we got the LCM, first part is done. Now the second part, find out the time. So how to find the time? 60 upon 12, divide the LCM by speed of each interval. 60 by 12, which is nothing but 5. Then 60 by 15, which is nothing but 4. And 60 by 20, that is 3. So this is our time, first, second and third. So add this time, 5 plus 4 plus 3, which is nothing but 12. So total time is 12. Now we'll apply our formula. So average speed formula, we have 3 multiplied by LCM divided by total time. So 3 multiplied by LCM, which is 60, and total time is 12. So if we cancel out 12 5 is 60, so what will remain? 3 into 5, that is nothing but 15. So the correct answer for this question is 15 km per hour. Okay. Let's solve one more question. So look at this second problem. A boy runs along the 3 sides of equilateral triangle at a speed of 20, 30 and 60. Okay, units are also same, kilometer per hour. So no need to change anything. So find his average speed. So the first step, find the LCM. LCM of what? 20, 30 and 60. So look at the biggest number, which is 60. So the remaining numbers 20 and 30. Is 20 divided 60? Yes. Next number 30. Is 30 divided 60? Yes. So that means 60 is our LCM. Okay. Now the second step. Find out the total time. So if we divide LCM, which is 60, by each number 20, 30 and 60. So what will get? 60 by 20. So 2 3s are 6. So answer is 3. Then 60 by 30. So 3 2s are 6. So answer is 2. Then 60 by 60, which is nothing but 1. So this is our time interval 3, 2, 1. So add that 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is nothing but 6. So this is our total time 6. Now we'll apply the formula. Average speed is equal to 3 multiplied by LCM upon total time. So 3 multiplied by LCM, which is 60, upon total time, which is 6. So if we cancel out 6 tens are 60. So 3 multiplied by 10, that is nothing but 30 km per hour. So the answer for this question is A, 30 km per hour. Look at the next problem. An aeroplane flies along the sides of equilateral triangle. So again it is given here equilateral triangle. That means this journey is divided into 3 equal paths. So we can apply this trick here. So the speeds are given 300, 400 and 600. We have to find out average speed. So let's find out the LCM first. So 300, 400 and 600. Okay. So all these three number contains two zeros. So just look at the main number 3, 4 and 6. So the LCM of 3, 4 and 6. So the biggest number is 6. So let's take 6 first. Is 3 divided 6? Yes. Is 4 divided 6? No. So scale up this number 6 by 6 multiplied by 2, which is 12. Now check it again. 3 and 4. Is 3 divides 12? Yes. 4 divides 12? Yes. That means this 12 is our LCM. So 12 means this two zeros we have not taken, so we'll keep here. So the LCM of 300, 400 and 600, which is 1200. First step is done. Second step. Divide the LCM by each of this number. So 1200 upon 300. So 3 4s are 12, so answer is 4. Two zeros will get cancelled. Then 1200 upon 400. So 4 3s are 12, so answer is 3. And then 1200 divided by 600. So 6 2s are 12, so answer is 2. Then add all these numbers time 4, 3 and 2. So 4 plus 3 plus 2, which is nothing but 9. So this is our total time. Now we'll use our formula. Average speed is equal to 3 multiplied by LCM. So LCM is 1200 upon total time, which is 9. So if we cancel out 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So remaining two zeros if we add up, so correct answer is 400 km per hour. So correct answer is A for this question. Look at the next problem. A man divides his total route into 3 equal parts and travel them at a speed of 10 km per hour, 15 km per hour and 30 km per hour. So find his average speed. So again, total route is divided into 3 equal parts, so we can use this method. So what are the speeds? 10, 15 and 30. So the first part, find LCM. So what is the biggest number? 30. Then check the remaining two number divides 30 or not. So 10 divides 30, yes. 15 divides 30, yes. So 30 is our LCM. First part is done. Second part, find out the time interval. So 30 upon 10, which is 3. Then 30 upon 15, which is 2. And 30 upon 30, that is 1. So what is the total time? Total time is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. The total time is 6. Now we will apply our average speed formula. That is 3 multiplied by LCM. LCM is here 30 upon total time, which is 6. So 6 5s are 30, 3 5s are 15. So correct answer for this one is 15 km per hour, option number A. Next question. A cyclist covers 3 equal distance at a speed of 3 km per hour, 4 km per hour and 6 km per hour. So what is his average speed for entire trip? So distance is given here in a 3 equal intervals. Speeds are given 3, 4 and 6. The speeds are 3, 4 and 6. So let's find out the LCM first. So what is the biggest number here? 6. Then check 3 and 4 divide 6. So 3 divides 6, yes. Is 4 divides 6? No. So scale up this 6. So 6 multiplied by 2, which is 12. Now check it again. 3 divides 12, yes. 4 divides 12, yes. That means 12 is our LCM. So first step is over, LCM is 12. Second step, find the time. So LCM, which is 12 upon 3. So 3 4s are 12. Then 12 upon the second speed, that is 4. So 4 3s are 12. And the third one, 12 upon 6. So 6 2s are 12. So time interval for all these three distance are 4, 3 and 2. So if we add up 4 plus 3 plus 2, we'll get total time. So total time is 9. Now apply the formula, average speed is equal to 3 multiplied by LCM. So LCM is what? 12 upon total time, which is 9. So if we cancel out 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So our correct answer is here 4 km per hour. Okay. Look at the next problem. A train covers the first 50 km at 15 km per hour, the next 50 km at 20 km per hour, and the last 50 km at 60 km per hour. So what is the average speed? So you can see that here 3 journeys are there, but the distance is same, 50 km, 50 km and 50 km. So it is divided into equal parts. Only the speeds are different. Okay. So these numbers are given just to confuse. Okay. So speeds are given in a equal interval. Yeah, path are equal, so we can apply this method. So what are the speeds? 15 km and then 20 and then 60. So the first step, find the LCM. So biggest number is what? 60. Now check 50, 15 and 20. So 50 divides 60, yes. 20 divides 60, yes. So that means 60 is our LCM. First part is over. Second part, find out the total time. So LCM upon the speed of all these three parts. So 60 upon 15, which is 4. Then 60 upon 20, which is 3. Then 60 upon 60, which is 1. So the time, if we add up 4 plus 3 plus 1, so total time is equal to 8. Okay. Now if we apply the formula, average speed is equal to 3 multiplied by LCM. So LCM is what? 60 upon total time, which is 8. Correct. So now we cannot cancel out this full. If we cancel out this by, let's say, 2 forza and 15 forza, so we'll get 3 into 15 upon 2. So 45 by 2, which is nothing but around 22.5 km per hour. So the correct answer is here C. Or you can see that here this number is not divisible fully. So in only one option we have the answer in decimal. So this is your correct answer. Okay. Look at the next problem. A student travels from home to school, school to library, and library back home. All equal distances. Okay, here it is mentioned all the distances are equal. So we can use this trick, and speeds are given 24, 36 and 72. So 24, 36 and 72. So let's find out the LCM first. So what is the biggest number here? 72. Now check 24 divides 72. Yes. Is 36 divided 72? Yes. So 72 is our LCM. Okay. So first part is done. Now next, find out the time interval. So 72 upon 24, which is nothing but 3. Then 72 upon 36, which is 2. And 72 upon 72, that is 1. So if we add up the times, 3 plus 2 plus 1. So total time we will get 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. Now apply the formula. Average speed is equal to 3 multiplied by LCM, which is 72, upon total time is 6. So cancel out 3 to the 6 and 72 upon 2, which is 36 km per hour. So correct answer is option number A here. Look at the next problem. A car travels 3 equal distance at a speed of 40 km, 60 km and 120 km. So find the average speed. So speeds are given 40, 60, 120. Okay. Don't look at this 0, just look at the number 4, 6, 12. Biggest number is 12. Is 4 divides 12? Yes. 6 divides 12? Yes. That means 12 is our LCM. Next step, find out the time. You can take 0 after that. So 12 by 4, which is 3. Then 12 by 6, which is 2. And 12 by 12, which is 1. Okay, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. So if we add up the number 3 plus 2 plus 1, total time is 6. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So apply the formula. Average speed is equal to 3 multiplied by LCM, which is 12. Sorry, 0 we have to take here. Okay. So if we take 0, LCM is 120. Okay. Here 0, 0 will get cancelled. So this number time is okay, but LCM is here 120. Divided by total time, which is 6. So if we cancel out 3 to the 6 and 2 6 are 12, and this 0 will remain. So answer is 60 km per hour. Correct answer is C here. Look at this next question. This you can try for the homework and comment your answer in the comment box. Okay. So if you like this video, then share with your friend and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.